Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is NCT Lucas fortune analysis. Let's analyze Lucas, who is as lucky as his good looks, and Lucas, who has a good luck structure. I analyzed it at the request of a YouTube subscriber. It was a wonderfully good structure. Let's analyze it together. The letter that means himself is a candle. His big eyes show consideration. Candlelight means blinking all night and thinking. And he is a very thoughtful and warm-hearted person. Right below the letter meaning himself is his heart for a spouse. But Lucas recognizes her as a lovely, cute, and caring person. Lucas's fortune is very simple and neat. There are only two structures of energy, output energy and input energy. Pink hearts are input energy, which means receptivity, exploration of knowledge, and patience. It means mother and senior as the energy that supports him. Lucas is a person who likes to be loved and learn everywhere. Blue heart is output energy that expresses itself well, is gregarious, and aims for external activities. Internal and external appearances are well harmonized, and he is very good at languages. This is because input energy is writing ability and output energy is speaking ability. It's simple like this, but now, as an important person, whenever he goes on stage, he's going to do a performance that burns this moment. More importantly, the placement of letters is very useful for as the celebrities. The upper part of the letter is social, but it is composed of characters that create a mysterious atmosphere and are full of talent. Internally, it is composed of characters that are exemplary with pure and right thoughts. That's a great arrangement. Since Lucas's job role is only energy, input and output energy, it is now appropriate for scholars and researchers to focus solely on research based on important process-oriented mindset. Therefore, Lucas is always a person who learns, utilizes, and lives well in the present. But there are some energy that is not in the fortune. He doesn't have result-oriented letters, which can be a fatal disadvantage. It should come down to good results after the activity, but it may not be possible. But in addition to the given letters, luck comes in every 10 years. If he waits a little longer, he will have strong luck for wealth and women. If he gets married a little later, he'll have a better and better woman waiting for Lucas, and he will be able to collect enormous wealth with her. Of course, he will still be collecting popularity and wealth, but he will be collecting less than he thought because he has no wealth in his fortune. But when he gets lucky, he will be able to operate as a firm asset. I analyzed the fortune of Lucas of NCT. It was neat and simple. It was a good fortune, and the energy that was not in the fortune was supplemented by luck, and it became a good fortune. I look forward to his great activities. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.